Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 1Password setup for password import and autofill, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up 1Password for password import and autofill, start by downloading and installing the 1Password application from the official website. Once the installation is complete, open the 1Password app and create a new account or sign in to your existing account. Next, you'll need to gather your passwords from other password managers or browsers. If you're importing from another password manager, check if it supports exporting passwords in a compatible format, such as CSV or JSON. For browser passwords, you may need to manually copy them or check if your browser has an export function. After collecting your passwords, return to 1Password and navigate to the Settings or Preferences menu. Look for the option labeled Import or Import Passwords. Select the file you exported or prepared and follow the prompts to import your passwords into 1Password. Once the import is complete, review the list to ensure all passwords have been accurately transferred. Now, let's set up autofill for your websites and apps. Go to the settings within 1Password and locate the autofill or browser integrations section. Enable the option for autofill in browsers or apps as per your preference. Follow any additional instructions for granting permissions when prompted by your device. Install the 1Password browser extension for seamless autofill capabilities and access to your passwords. Once installed, sign into the extension using your 1Password account credentials. Test the autofill feature by navigating to a website and clicking on the 1Password icon in your browser. Select the login for that site and watch as 1Password fills in your credentials automatically. To ensure everything is working correctly, try logging into a few different sites using the autofill feature. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings for autofill and make sure all options are correctly configured. With everything set up, you can now enjoy a more secure and convenient online experience with 1Password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.